unihost. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how we can use Tailscale and connect our servers and devices privately through a private network. Before starting, let us know what is Tailscale. Tailscale is a zero-trust private networking tool built on Vanguard. It lets your laptop, phone, VPS, or home server to talk between each other through a private network that is called Tailnet without opening public ports like normal VPN server. Here you need to just install Tailscale on your specific device, either your client device or server, and then you will get specific private IPs. With those IPs or the machine name, you can just connect to those instances directly without opening those ports through public internet. That's the main benefit of using Tailscale. Now, for example, if we connect to my VPS, here I'm connecting to one of my VPS. Now I'm connected to a VPS using port 22. But the thing is that for this VPS, if we do a simple port check for SSH, then we'll find that this port is open and anyone can access my server using SSH. Though they will not have the username and password, but they can do some kind of brute force attack. So opening this port is not so secure. For making it secure, we can install Tailscale and make this port private so that only us from our client device, we can connect to our server using private network. So for this, you need to open tailscale.com, and from here, you need to click on Get Started. It's free. You don't need any credit card. From here, you need to create your account, or if you have an existing account, then you can also use that. Just connect to any of this provider. After you are logged in, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Here, you'll be having the machines option. Here, you need to click on Add Device. For our machines, we'll be using the client device option, and for our servers, we'll be using the Linux server option. So first, let's install it in our Linux VPS that we are having. For this, here we need to just give some tags. Let's say nine test VPS, and then here you need to just install script, copy this script, and run it using root. Just paste this script, and it will do everything automatically. Now our installation is complete. We can just start Tailscale by running this command tailscale up. Let's run this. And now Tailscale is up and running. So here, now if we go back to our machines, here you can find that here we are having our machine ID, a private IP address, and it is connected. Now here, if we want, we can also rename our device. Now, if we copy this IP and try to connect it directly, then we'll be getting error because this is a private IP, not a public IP. For connecting to this IP, we need to also have Tailscale installed inside our client machine, that is this machine. For that, we'll be adding another device. This time it will be our client device, our own Windows machine. We can copy the link and open it in a new tab. And here we can download it for our machine. In this case, I'm using Windows machine. Then just install it. Depending upon your machine, you can choose any other option. You can also install it in Android if you want to connect your servers through a private network from your Android device. And Linux and iOS Mac options are also available. After installation is complete, click on Close. Here, after installation is done, you need to log into your account. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Use the same account. And now here, you're going to be getting the option to connect this device through the Tailscale network. Just click on Connect. And now this device is connected. If you check here, it's going to be showing our device and the other devices that we have in our network. Like here, we are having two devices and two different IPs. So now, if we want to connect to this machine using SSH, here, instead of using the public IP, we can use this private IP now. Like click on Yes. And now we are connected to our instance using our private IP, not our public IP. Now, in this way, we can connect to our devices privately using private network in Tailscale. Now we have installed Tailscale. Now we don't need to keep our port 22 open in public network. We can simply disable that. For this, we can just use UFW. Just make sure that it's enabled and clearly it's inactive. You need to just call UFW and click on Yes. Now if we check the rules, our firewall is enabled. Now we can add a rule UFW deny SSH. Now if we check UFW status, here you will find that we are not allowing port 22 access. Now if we use our public IP and try to check whether port 22 is enabled or not, we are going to be getting timeout because the port is closed, but we can still do SSH. Only thing is that we cannot do SSH directly using our public IP, but we can keep using SSH using our private IP. This one is prompting for password, but this one will not do anything because port 22 is now blocked. So here we are getting connection timeout. So in this way, you can communicate to your servers using private network. This is not only limited to connecting using SSH. Let's say that you have a project and you want to running it using some port, let's say on port 3000. In that case, if we try to connect to public IP and port 3000, you'll find that accessing port 3000 directly is not going to work because we have not enabled port 3000 in our firewall. But if we try to access it using our private network, copy this IP and now get into port 3000, then you'll find that this website is working. And as you can see that this website is working and only I can connect to this website using the private IP because my laptop is connected using the Tailscale private network and now I can connect to it very easily. And not only that, if you also want to transfer files between your machine and your server, that is also possible. You need to use the private IP instead of using the public IP. So that's all for this video. I hope that you'll find this video helpful.